Yes, we can number one. Yes, we can number one.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I at this point respectfully invite an advocate of due process, the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, Life Bencher.
Biggie man. Yeah, you don't know for size, biggie man, biggie. If we can bless you, if we can bless you, yes, we can bless you. If we can bless you, we can bless you.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, and let me just try to say this and to warn some council chairmen. You have to be very, very careful. Don't take our simplicity to be stupidity. Don't ever try it next time. A council chairman will stand before governor to tell me what 10 does not have road. You open your mouth and tell me that. I was council chairman. People know in this state. I was constructing roads. I have never one day called governor, come and do so and so thing. And you have the temerity to stand before me here to say, I've done it, oh, come and do what, 10. If you do it next time, in fact, it's Commissioner of the Local Government there. Commissioner of Local Government is here. Commissioner of Local Government, SIG. Tell him to visit Ahuda East and write out the projects he did and submit to the office. I want to see that road he did. We must know. Thank God he said, I don't tamper with local government money. I know how much you will get. Last few months, no local government got less than 300 to 400 million naira. Not one. Where's the salary bill? Where did the money go to? Now I came here and I said, I was going to do that. You come here and for the word, now what 10? How many votes do you bring? How many votes? Last election, 13,000 votes. That's what you come here and tell me, what 10? So I must do projects, what 1, what 2, what 3, what 4, what 5. Yesterday, you sent people to try it with the Federal House member. What is it in Abuja? Others are putting projects in the budget. Have they ever met me one day? What project do you want to be put in Rivers State? Because I believe that there should be development everywhere. Does not mean you will take it for granted. So this is the last time I will go to any local government and I see a chairman coming out to say, we want to appeal to you to do something for us. You must show me your own report card. You must show me your report card. Empowerment. Where is the empowerment? People should want all this so-called chairman. Even that I will tell you that I was chairman and I was a very serious chairman. Very serious. So, my dear brothers, today last time when we came here, we made a promise that we are going to construct this Odemude Road. I thank God we have fulfilled all the promises we have made to the people of this local government. The SRCO said, I've done a lot and they will not ask for anything. The only thing I'm asking for you, bring out the votes. And chairman of council, Ahuda West registered not less than, Ahuda East registered not less than 90,000. Let me see anything half of that vote. Then you come and give account of the projects. If I say anything less than 50% of the vote, you'll be into trouble. So all this while you say, I have done this, I have done that. You will also tell me to the 5th of February, I have done this. Return votes based on number of projects. It's not to wear native clothes. You must return the votes. Return it. If you don't return it, then you will see. So, I have the belief that the local contractor, indigenous contractor, will do the best. And that is why we're encouraging our local contractors, and which they have been performing. I'm happy in our time. The few indigenous contractors we have now have shown capacity and commitment. And if this goes on, then we know that we'll continue to partner with them.